MTN 2 years ago did partner with the Resource Center to set up a digital knowledge base accessible by the people of Koboko primarily. The impact is beyond just one district. It seems to be extending to the region. What MTN did through the MTN Foundation, which for this year is focused on ICT in education, is that initially it provided 10 computers, it provided stable power, it provided lighting through solar systems, it renovated the facility, provided clean water. So it really has left the resource center with the right ambience, the right environment, and access to the internet. Over and above the initial 10 computers, MTN Foundation has committed to providing an additional 2 computers with software and a keyboard to cater for our members of our society who are disabled. Everyone, even those as far as Koboko, deserve the benefits of a modern connected life.
I'd like to appreciate MTN for choosing Koboko for this great opportunity. I'm telling you, very few districts in Uganda have got such a fully furnished resource center. I urge you people of Koboko to make a use of it.